Alright everyone, today we are going to be unboxing the Sonic the Hedgehog Set 77001 one Sonic's Campfire Clash, which honestly I'm still... and which is probably a decently small set to start off on. It's got 177 pieces, and that's all I can say from the box. So onto this, as you can see, it comes with two bags, the instructions, and the spin dash, and part of the spin dash thing where you push onto it. And now I'm going to move on to a stop motion thing, and of me doing this in the first place. And with that part of the set done, we could officially do this. To where we can send Sonic flying on it with a spin dash from this little thing. Anyways, back to the rest of the stop motion. Honestly, it's kind of funny that this is like a camping thing, to where he's protecting an emerald that doesn't even have power. Yes, this is the fake emerald from SA2. Just wanted to let you know about that part. And with that, the set is done, and it obviously includes both of the gun badniks with one of them having a turtle inside of them, a camping place, and a Sonic spin dash thing with 3 rings. I also have a Ziploc bag containing the extra pieces. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye.